How to backup WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn on how we can backup WhatsApp to our iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Backing up WhatsApp on iPhone is actually fairly simple. The process is same for the native WhatsApp app or the WhatsApp business app. So once you open up your WhatsApp, go to the settings icon from the bottom right, which is the gear icon from there. Once you've done that, you will see these options. So from here, you can simply scroll and look for the option that says Chats and tap on it. Then tap on Chat Backup. Then you can select to include videos or so on. Then tap the Backup Now button and you will be able to back it up. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.